Right, this is more of a discussion, this one. This one is getting on my nerves. Okay? How is it acceptable for shippers to just pay you late? How is it I've got 2 invoices that I'm overdue at the moment. One of them was done at the beginning of February and one of them was done in the middle of February, and now we're kind of in middle of April. So it's going to be like 30 days end of the month, or where are we now? In fact, it might even be 45 days. I'm not sure. It might have been 60 days. But what's happened is these invoices are falling over Easter. So one's falling on a Saturday, one's falling on a Sunday, and you ring them up and you go, yeah, I'm chasing you for an invoice that was due 2 days ago. I'm chasing you for an invoice that's due 3 days ago. First one goes, yeah, I'll get paid this week. I just told you it's 2 days late. Well, so it's going to be 5. I said, when this week? And they went, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. And the second one said, yeah, you got email accounts. Have you got their email address? So he gave me their email address. I said, they got a phone number. He says, no, I work from home on email. So I've now sent him an email with the attached invoice that says, this is now 3 days late. Can you please tell me what it's going to expect to be paid? Now, the question is, if they pay you late, can you leave them negative feedback? Now, I turned around to a geezer once and he went, yeah, a guy gave me negative feedback. I said, I was only 2 days late and I had this thing in the hospital, and there's always a reason, isn't there? Everyone, like my Lisa's mate Joe says, everyone's got a story. You know, there's always a reason. But the thing that gets me is, you've had 60 days. I sent you this invoice on the 4th of... When I did the job on the 4th of February, which means you could pay it on the 5th or the 6th or the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, you get the picture. You've had 60 days, but you haven't paid it. You could pay it on the 59th day. Not a problem. You pay within your 60 days. But what you did is you waited for the 60 days and then thought, I'll start thinking about paying that when that comes up. Now, you could say it's the account software which flags up invoices that are due at this time. And so what they do is they go, right, Friday, what invoices are due? I'll pay them. Next Friday, what invoices are due? Oh, well, there's a couple overdue here. I better pay them. But the account software, surely you can go, well, okay, what's due within the next week? Better pay them to make sure I'm on time. So the question is, can I leave you negative feedback? And then you'll get what? You give me negative feedback? I was only 2 days late. No, you were 62 days late. You had 62, well, not 62, you had 62 days to the 60 days to pay it, and you paid in 62. You're too late. The door's shut. So can you leave negative feedback? My point being, if someone gave me a job and they said it needs to be delivered on Tuesday and I delivered it a week Friday, I would definitely get negative feedback. So how is it all right for me how is it all right for you to be 3 days late? But if I'm 3 hours late, you're on the phone screaming, going, where are you? Now, I mean, I don't know. Let's have a chat about it. Is it okay? Or are they going to go? And the other question, like Lisa turned around, she said, yeah, but if you give them negative feedback, they might work with you again. And I go, why? I'd done everything I was supposed to do. I turned up on time, I'm polite, I got the gear on board, I strapped it, it's safe, I delivered it, lovely, everybody's happy. And they go, oh, he done a brilliant job there, let's just kick him when he's down. And the other bit that gets me while we're on it is now, because I'm 2 invoices down, this is 700 quid, it's not a small amount of money, but I've also got to get a new tyre on the car, and then there's other people chasing me for money. I may now have to factor 2 invoices that have been sitting on my CX Smart Pay, which are due, I reckon, you can't tell from SmartPay what they are. That's the other frustrating thing, which I think will due like next week. And if I factor them, it's going to cost me 100 quid. There's £600 worth of invoices. Or do you want £500 now? Big shiny lights, boom, fireworks, dingles. Ah. So potentially, because these 2 people are paying me late for a decent job that I did 2 months ago, it's going to cost me 100 quid from someone else. It drives me absolutely mad. How come I'm getting squeezed from both ends all the time? So you guys, you tell me, is it acceptable to pay someone late as a shipper? And if you're a shipper, and yeah, from a shipper's point of view as well, if you pay someone late and they leave you negative feedback, would you get upset about it? And if so, why? Why didn't you just pay on time? An easier way. All I'm trying to do here is take care and take money.